Bollywood actor that Avinash Dev, Katrina Kaif. I think she's been my girl crush growing up.
You know, you look quite similar. आप लोग बहनें ज़्यादा लग बन सकते हो. Romance का मुझे नहीं पता, but you do have this थोड़ा सा similarity. Have someone earlier told you this?
Yeah, little bit. I really want to do action. Like I am learning gymnastics at the moment.
Right.
And I want to be able to do. I think Rohit sir pulls out action like anything. Rohit sir.
Okay.
Who did I stalk last? I think Hrithik Roshan.
We are going to play a small rapid fire round with you. Let's start with that. We don't have any hampers. We just have love for you from all the viewers.
Thank you so much. I think I'm working towards that only.
Okay, so let's start. One Bollywood actor you would like to take on a date, but or you want that actor to come and ask you for a date.
Bollywood actor that I Avinash Dev.
Okay. If you have to like play a lesbian character and romance an actress, who would you prefer?
Who would I prefer? You've put me in a fix. I'm really trying to think this. Katrina Kaif. I think she's been my girl crush growing up. I think
You know, but you know, you look quite similar. आप लोग बहनें ज़्यादा लग बन सकते हो. Romance का मुझे नहीं पता, but you do have this थोड़ा सा similarity. Have someone earlier told you this?
Yeah, little bit.
Yes. Okay. If you have to choose one of these, what would you choose? A film with Karan Johar or a film with Rohit Shetty?
I really want to do action. Like I am learning gymnastics at the moment.
Right.
And I want to be able to do. I think Rohit sir pulls out action like anything. Rohit sir.
Okay. Now next one, a film with Rohit Shetty or a film with S.S. Rajamouli?
Rajamouli sir, because South में मैंने देखा है that audience is very loyal and they give you a
Yes.
lot of love.
True.
So Rajamouli sir.
Okay. One celebrity you stalk on Instagram. Like as I said, I just stalked Abha before this interview.
I stalk. Who did I stalk last? I think Hrithik Roshan.
Okay. If you have to go back in whatever the time you started acting, if you have to go back and change one thing in your career or maybe one decision maybe that you took around,
Yeah.
what would it be if you have to go back and change it?
Not really. I think all the decisions taught me a lot, so there's not much I want to change on any of the decisions.
Okay.
Because I'm here. I mean, like, I think one thing goes off and the butterfly effect works, and
Right.
you never know where you land up.
Okay. A recent movie or a web series you wish you were a part of?
Recent movie or web series? Bombay Meri Jaan.
Nice. Okay. Your guilty pleasure?
My guilty pleasure. I sometimes watch reality shows as a guilty pleasure.
Okay. Okay. Lastly, one thing that actually no one knows about you but you would like to reveal it here.
One thing that nobody knows about me. That I paint. I'm a very good
Wow.
painter. I've been painting since I was in first standard. So yeah, I'm a very good painter.
Nice. So Abha, it was lovely chatting with you. All the best for all the future projects. If Hiramandi 2 happens, then we would like to see you in that as well.
I would love to be in that.
But any hint given by
Not
any
really,
chance?
not really. And surprisingly, other day I was sitting with my friend in a cab,
Yeah.
and we're talking about what if Hira Mandi 2 happens, and the cab driver goes like, "नहीं, Hira Mandi 2 नहीं बन रही है." And I'm like, "Are you an insider? Like, how do you know this and we don't know it?"
क्या संजय से आपकी भी कार में बैठे थे एक डिस्कशन हुआ था.
I think that's the hype of the whole web series,
Yeah.
that even everybody is talking about it. So, but if it's ever made, I would love to be a part.
Right. So Abha, thank you so much for being with us and all the best, as I said, for all your future projects.
Thank you for having me. It was great being here.
Same.